Kamya, what is formula for magnetic induction at any point on the axis of dipole? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is formula for magnetic induction at any point on the axis of short dipole?
Ideal mu naught 4 pi ideal sin theta pi r square.
एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा नहीं, ये चैप्टर का मैग्नेटिज्म का है. Due to dipole magnetic induction at any point of the morning, I did know mu naught upon 4 pi 2m upon
Yes, sir.
and equator वाला mu naught upon 4 pi m.
हाँ, right, sir, right, sir.
Now we are doing magnetic induction, magnetic field at any point on the axis of circular coil. Derive expression for magnetic field at any point on axis of circular coil. At any point on axis of circular coil. Consider circular coil with center O, radius R, carrying current I as shown in the figure. Let P be a point at a distance x from center O on the axis. Let dl be the elemental length at point C. Join PC. Let PC equals to R. Magnetic field due to dl elemental length, magnetic field due to elemental length dl at C due to elemental length at C is given by dB1 is mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sine theta upon r square. Can you tell me here what is theta? Theta means angle between dl. So this is the coil, ऐसा dl है और ये लाइन है, तो ये एंगल कितना आएगा?
90 degrees.
Yeah, theta is 90 degrees. So dB1 is mu naught I dl sine 90 upon 4 pi r square. Mu naught I dl upon 4 pi r square equation 1. It is perpendicular to plane containing dl and r. dB1. It is directed as shown. Complete the diagram this much and copy this one. Just draw the diagram, then considerable part I am dictating, then you can start. Consider a circular coil with center O, radius capital R, carrying current I as shown in the figure. Don't write a further, we have to write regarding point P. You complete, only write this much. Consider a circular coil with center O, radius R, carrying current I as shown in the figure.
Done, sir.
Till as shown in the figure you have done, na?
Yeah.
Next line, let P be a point at a distance x. Let P be a point at a distance x from center O. Let P be a point at distance x from center O on the axis. On the axis. Then you can copy. Yes, done till this.
Done, sir.
In the diagram, take mirror image DL at point D. In the diagram, made this component dB1 cos phi upward, dB1 sin phi horizontal, same way dB2 cos phi vertically downward, and dB2 sin phi along horizontal.
सर ये किया था हमने शायद।
नहीं, दूसरे बैच में किया था, इस सीबीएसई वाले बैच में किया था।
हाँ यस यस सर।
Diagram is done, then tell, so that I can clear everything and proceed ahead.
Done, sir.
So I'm just clearing this diagram and proceeding the theory again. We can say at similarly considered elemental length dl at point D. The magnetic induction at P is given by dB2 equals to mu naught I dl upon 4 pi r square, equation 2. It is directed as shown. It is directed as shown. dB1 comma dB2 can be resolved into two rectangular components, dB1 cos phi comma dB1 sin phi and dB2 cos phi comma dB2 sin phi, as dB1 cos phi and dB2 cos phi are equal and opposite, hence they cancel each other. Right, this much. I'm not in this. So which two component will persist? These two cancel each other. Cos cancel. Who will left up? Be left out. Sine component will be left out. So resultant magnetic field due to elemental length dl at C comma D is given by dB equals to dB1 sine phi plus dB2 sine phi. dB1 is equals to dB2. Therefore, dB equals to dB1 sine phi plus dB1 sine phi. So dB equals to 2 times dB1 sine phi. So dB equals to 2 times mu naught I dl upon 4 pi r square into sine phi. Copy till this. Sine phi equals to opposite side r upon hypotenuse small r. Completed till sine phi equal to r by r. Hello, completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look carefully on the board. dB equals to mu naught I dl upon 4 pi r square sine phi, we got r by r. So dB equals to mu naught I dl twice r upon 4 pi r cube. Since small r square equals to capital R square plus x square, So r is r square plus x square raised to half. I have taken square root both sides. So r raised to 3 is r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. So dB becomes 2 times mu naught I dl r upon 4 pi capital R plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Therefore, resultant magnetic field due to coil, earlier it was due to dl, now due to coil, comma b is integration of dl, which is mu naught I 2 dl r upon 4 pi r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Mu naught I r upon 4 pi r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2 is constant inside 2dl. 2dl because at a time we have taken field due to dl at c and d, but integration of twice dl is 2 pi r, which is called circumference. So we get B equals to mu naught I r into 2 pi r upon 4 pi capital R square plus x square raised to 3 by 2 pi into 2 will become 4 pi. So B equals to mu naught I into r square upon 2 r square plus x square raised to 3 pi. This is formula for magnetic field at axis of circular coil. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Just write down till end and read carefully. Wherever you filled out, tell so that I can explain again this lengthy derivation. If this comes, weightage will be 4 to 5 marks. Completed full? Hello?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Complete slowly. Once you complete, tell me, then take 2 minutes to read full. For entrance, we require only formula. For board, we have to remember everything.
Done, sir.
Now just read carefully from start to end, what you have written in your book. Any line which you are not following, you have to ask me immediately.
Done, sir.
No doubt na in the derivation, because that is contender of 4 to 5 marks topic. Next, derive expression for magnetic field near finitely long straight conductor. One is infinitely long, this is finitely long straight conductor. See, so far we did derivation for B due to center of circular coil mu naught Ni upon 2R, and for excess mu naught I upon 2R square upon R square plus X square raised to 3 by 2. And Biot-Savart's law, mu naught I dl sine theta upon 4 pi R square. This much we have done. Now we are doing expression for magnetic field near finitely long straight conductor. Please write the heading. Heading written. Heading you all have written heading.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
See. So consider finite long conductor AB carrying current I as shown in the figure. Let P be a point at a distance A near the conductor. Let dl be the elemental length at point C. Join dl and P. Now distance between line joining dl and P from Biot-Savart's law we know we denote it by AR. So I have written here R. And A is distance of point near the conductor. This distance is A. If this angle you take theta, then this will be 90 minus theta, correct? Huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So magnetic field at point P due to dl can be written as dB equals to mu naught I dl. Angle between dl and P is 90 minus theta. This angle is angle between dl which we have taken here theta, so this will become 90 minus theta upon 4 pi r square. So dB is mu naught I dl cos theta upon 4 pi r square. Mu naught is constant or variable?
Constant.
Constant.
Constant. What about I?
Constant.
Constant. What about dl?
Constant.
No, dl is variable. No, dl is elemental length. Na? dl. So dl is variable. What about theta? Even that is variable. Because if this is dl, then this will be theta. Somebody takes here dl, this will be theta. So theta is variable, dl is variable, r is also variable. So if I want to integrate this, we should have 3 variable or 1 variable in any integration. Do we write like this? Dx, dy, dz, 3 variable we write? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are integrating, so you have 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable or any number of variable.
One variable.
1 x dx y ऐसे एक ही वेरिएबल होता है ना, तो ये 3 वेरिएबल नहीं चलेगा. So I am keeping theta as variable, dl and r I am eliminating. So if I join P with A, so this upper angle we can take plus phi 1, and with C this angle is phi 2. So from P, if you go upward side positive angle, lower side negative angle. Please draw this diagram, then we are doing further. Just draw the diagram, then I'm clearing the diagram and doing this. Now dl is at distance L from this point O. Diagram done? Hello, diagram is done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
थोड़ा डेरिवेशन, ये सबसे डेंजरस डेरिवेशन है अभी तक का. राइट, कंसीडर a finite conductor AB carrying current I as shown in the figure. Consider a finite conductor AB carrying current I as shown in the figure. Let P be a point at a distance A from conductor. Let P be a point at a distance A from conductor. Completed in that?
Done, sir.
Let dl be the elemental length. Let dl be the elemental length at distance L from O. dl be the elemental length at distance L from O. Therefore, magnetic induction at point P, therefore magnetic induction at point P due to elemental length dl, magnetic induction at point P due to elemental length dl is given by, due to elemental length dl is given by. Then copy these two equations, dB and then further. Shall I clear now everything? Done?
Yes, sir.
So as I said, dl, theta, r, there are three variables. So if you look this diagram from O at distance L, dl is present. This angle is theta, this is r, this is a. What will be tan theta equals to? Tan theta equals to
A upon
A
R.
upon R.
tan theta is a by r. मैथ्स बहुत स्ट्रांग है फिर आपका. It is
L upon R.
L upon a, opposite side upon adjacent side. L upon a. L is a tan theta. है ना? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So L by a. Therefore dl is a, tan theta is sec square theta d theta. So wherever I see dl, I can write a sec square theta d theta. What will be cos theta from this figure?
A by R.
A by r. So wherever you see r, you can write a upon cos or not? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is same as a into sec theta. So dl I can replace, r I can replace because they are variable. I hope you all followed this much.
Yeah, sir.
Copy this much. Tan theta is opposite L adjacent A. Then we have taken L, we want dl, therefore we have taken derivative. So I got dl a sec square theta and r equals to a into sec theta. हेलो हेलो हाँ तो हाँ एक मिनट हेलो हेलो 543 543903 हाँ 543903 एक ही था दूसरा दूसरा अच्छा ठीक है ठीक. Yes. Now from 1 dB equals to mu naught I dl, which is a sec square theta d theta into cos theta upon 4 pi r is a r square, so it will be a square sec square theta. Sec square cancel, a cancel, so dB is mu naught I upon 4 pi a into cos theta d theta. Therefore resultant field comma b equals to integration of dB. Left side angle is minus 5 2, top side is 5 1. Copy this much again. हेलो 932 996 996 ये भी हो गया। 9329। अच्छा, आपको आना पड़ेगा साइन करने के लिए? अच्छा, तो अभी कुछ अपलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है जैसे पहले होता था। अच्छा ठीक ठीक। अच्छा, तो इसमें भी कुछ जरूरत नहीं है ना अपना, खाली मुझे क्या सबमिट किया वो करेक्शन करने के लिए ले आ सकता हूँ ना, बैलेंस शीट वगैरह कलेक्ट करने के लिए वो आ सकता हूँ, फिर मैं सर का पेमेंट करने के लिए आ सकता हूँ। ठीक, thank you। मैं फोन करके आऊँ। हाँ हाँ, फोन करके।
Done, sir.
Okay. Just 2 more lines so that we can complete this derivation. So therefore, b equals to integration of mu naught I upon 4 pi a cos theta d theta minus pi to pi. Mu naught I upon 4 pi a cos theta integration is sin theta minus pi to 2 pi. So b is mu naught I upon 4 pi a sine of phi 1 minus of sine minus phi 2. So b equals to mu naught I upon 4 pi a sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2 plus sine phi 2. Complete. Tomorrow lecture at 7:30. Is it okay, or you all are going out somewhere? Because it is 31st.
I'm going out.
You are going out, okay.
Uh,
Vrinda, you are also going out?
No, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो कल जाने दो। Friday again we'll have class same time. Is it okay? Same time
yes,
Friday?
Yeah, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow enjoy. But Kamya, for you I can keep lecture.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Friday ko I'll have chemistry at 6:30.
अच्छा अच्छा, then shall I make it late?
yes, sir.
हाँ
Yeah.
sir, 8:30.
8:30 9 रख देता हूँ, 9 to 10.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Everybody has completed this? Kamya, you wait, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody has completed. Can I clear this now?
Done, sir.
Okay, am I done?
He's not there, sir.
Sorry.